two tools that we're going to use as teachers as we move to this online education for the time being is going to be teaching live online and office hours. For teaching live online, it's exactly what it sounds like. A teacher is going to come on and teach the class like they would normally, but instead of everyone sitting in the classroom together, you will all log in virtually from your computer to learn the lesson that day. Office hours are a little bit different. The idea behind office hours is that a teacher will be online for certain hours on a certain day. They'll send out that schedule, and that's a time where you can come and log in and get help by video chatting with that teacher during that time period. It's something that you'll see a lot in college that your professors will have set up, but we're going to try that as well because some of you, it just works a little better to have conversations than if you try to read an answer to a question that you send in via email. Both the live classes and office hours are going to be accessed through Microsoft Teams. And I'm going to show you how to log in there. So go into your Microsoft Office home again. If you need to get logged in, go ahead and do that. If your suite is here, you can click on Teams. If it's not showing up, click on the grid, go into your apps, and go into your Microsoft Teams. So if you know, for example, that one of your teachers is hosting a live class, let's say that you are in pre-calc, and so you know every day at 1:35 you need to be logging in for your pre-calc lesson for that day. Here's how you'll do that. You log into your Teams, and there would be a pre-calc button here. It's not here yet, but you click on that class. So you go into it, and if there's a meeting going on, it will show up right in the general section. So like I have this live class going on right now. This is where you would click join, and it would help you get into this live class. Your teacher will be there, your other classmates will be there, and that's where you can log in to watch the class. It's the exact same thing for office hours. If you know, let's say I will be online from 3 to 5 on March 24th to help out with the US History 11 research papers. You can come log in, you can click join, it will bring you into the meeting. You can ask your questions, we can have a conversation there, and then you can leave whenever you're comfortable with that being done. The other nice thing is that if a teacher chooses, he or she can record the class. And so if a class is recorded, you'll find it posted underneath this. So let's say I saved a meeting from earlier. If I go through it, you'll see it right here. So maybe you want to go back in and rewatch something from the lecture yesterday. That will be saved here. You just have to scroll through and find it. So again, you go into your Teams, you click into the class that has the office hours or the live class going, and it should show up right here. Click join. If you don't see anything, that means that your teacher is not online. So you need to just wait until he or she comes on, and then you can join into that class.